Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We're doing an unboxing for some lighting.
All right.
Okay.
Now, we were contacted by the Psycho company asking us if we would do a demo for their unboxing and a demo for their under-counter LED lighting. And we're always in the market for some LED lighting. So we said, absolutely, send it on to us. And so they did. And so we're going to unbox that for you today. And then a quick demo where we would place these lights in our kitchen to show you how they work. And then we'll do another video later, so keep an eye on that. If you haven't clicked that notifications bell, subscribe notifications, so when we upload a new video, you'll see it as well. But go ahead and do that. Click that video for all notifications. And then you'll know when we upload a new video as well. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. Now, I've already cut it just to kind of save time a little bit. We haven't pulled anything out of the box yet. All right, so here's the box. Now, I've already cut it, but to kind of save time. I know, too late. But, so we're going to go ahead and open the box here. And I just want to kind of show you the packaging, the way they packaged it. I got some of the air packaging in there to kind of keep everything stable. So that looks pretty good. Yep, I like the way that looks. And this is a 9.5 inch strand of lights here. Just gonna pull out the packaging. It just kind of slips out here. There you go. You got that. This is the charging cord here. This is gonna be the light right there. Boom. And this
It's very small, so you wouldn't even, if you had it like under cabinet lighting, you would not even know that it was there unless it was lit up.
And this, I'm guessing, is going to be the sticker. Yep. Yes.
Okay, yes. This is renter friendly in case you don't feel comfortable screwing anything into your cabinets or walls.
So you got these
won't have to.
3M stickers here. Now this is metal here, and this is metal, and it's magnetized. And so you just put this on like this, and it stays right there. And you pull those little tabs off, and it'll stick to the underside of whatever you're wanting it to stick to, or to the front or back, or however you want to do that. And then let's see if there's anything else in there. You got a 5-year warranty on it.
5-year warranty, nice.
It says right there on the card, 5-year warranty. And you download the Transparency app. It's all on the back of this card right here that comes in the box. And then this is the instruction booklet on how to use it. Now these are, they have an auto sensor on them. So when you walk by it,
they're a motion sensor.
They're a motion detector. And so it will come on as you walk by it, or if you put your hand under it or something. I'm thinking the sensors are going to be right here, like right here.
And which would make it would be good for the uppers, but it also would be good for putting on the lower cabinets in a kitchen or a bathroom, like a bathroom for a nightlight, or like a hallway or something like that for a nightlight. Because it would be, pick up on the motion sensing. And again,
you do have a switch here. You can put it on, off, or auto. So if you just want to use the switch to turn it on when you need it, that's it on right there.
I don't think that picked up.
I don't think it did either, but it's on right now. It is on right now. I don't know if you can see that.
We'll show you it lit up at night after we've attached it.
Yeah.
So that y'all can see what it does since.
Like I said, this is the charging cord here. It just plugs in here. It's a USB-C, which I think most connectors are going to now, the USB-C, because they're easier to connect. And this will be the charge. You would need something that you can get to a plug somewhere.
A block or something.
Yeah, that you can plug this into to recharge it. All right. So that's the unboxing. That's what it looks like now. We're going to go to. We're going to go ahead and put it. We're going to cut. We're going to have to put it in place. Show us putting it in place, and then we'll show you how it works underneath our counter over here.
Yep.
Okay. So now we're going to install this underneath the cabinet here, and so what you want to do, you want to make sure you have these the the right distance apart. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and attach these here. And then I'm going to pull the backing off. Pull the backing off here. It's got a little sticky on there. A little sticky on here. And we're just going to take that and we're going to stick it to the bottom of the cabinet. I'm just going to hold that for about 30 seconds to make sure it sticks well. And once I get it stuck up there, I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to take the light off. I'm going to press it in again for another 30 seconds just to make sure. Usually with these 3M strips, especially with the command strip that you have, you want to give them maybe a couple hours to kind of set, but the light's not very heavy, so it shouldn't be a problem. All right, so we're going to do that, and then when you're ready to put it back on there, you just put it there. Bam. And it's stuck. And so whenever you need to charge it, you can always take it off, plug it in, and take it somewhere to charge it. So we've got it mounted underneath here. You can see it's just right here. The magnetic strips are there. It just slips right up on like that. Now, if you have it on auto, it's on auto right now. If you have it on auto and you have a lot of light in your room, it's not going to come on. See, I can do that, and you're not going to do that. See, if you want it to come on, you're going to need to put it on right there, and there it is. Okay.
There's also an off switch in between.
There's also an off switch right here. Bam, like that. Now we're going to put it back on auto. We're going to turn the lights down, and we're going to show you the. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, it'll turn on for a second like that, and then it goes right back off. It won't come back on even if you put your hand in front of it.
Boom.
Unless you turn all the lights off. So we're going to turn off the lights, and then we're going to pick up with the rest. Here we are in the dark.
Yeah, here I'm in the dark. And so now if you're in the dark and you hear it and just boom, like that, there you go. And the light comes on.
And see, it puts out a decent amount
of light. It's LED lights. And so if you're looking for space right here, if you just need a little night light in your kitchen, you don't want to use your stove light like we do. This light never goes off.
Nope, never turns off.
Anybody in the South, this light will always be on in their house, always. But if you don't want to do that, then you can have this. It can be mounted under your thing. You can't really see it, and it gives off some pretty good light. So after probably about 30 seconds to a minute, if it's in motion, it will turn off. So I want to thank the Saco company for sending us this light to. Whoa! It has different brightnesses. This is kind of more of a.
Oh, we didn't know that.
Yeah, we know that. There we go. I want to thank the Saco company for sending this out for us to review for you. The description link will be in the description box below. And
there will be a promo code as well, so that you can get a discount off of this product if you'd like to buy one.
Absolutely. Drop us a comment below and let us know how you would use this in your home. Any type of place you'd like to use it, you can do that as well. Drop us a comment below and let us know that.
We will have another video with another idea coming out in a few days, so be watching for that.
All right. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. You kind of never know. We're going to drop one in there. But with that said, that's going to do it today for the long run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
Don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.